welcome video. I got some subwoofer just built like put a connector like that one, but I put some gorilla glue. It might stick it on there because the cardboard on this too hard to push down up and down, so can double one and two that make more bass, but I don't know how many watt, and I want to know about 120 or 200, 250, 250 watts. So please leave it comment below 8-inch subwoofer. Leave it comment below how many watts are they? And I got another subwoofer, 15. So the cardboard is ripped. So that one. But anyways, I tape it on there. And I got all my speakers in case because it's a loud bass. That one twins. That one works. But that one is soft. I don't know how many watts. It can't take it off because I put super glue and gorilla. And go here. That's it. That one is connected. The stereo is connected with the receiver, and leave a comment below what speaker do you like. This one, the brown, light brown, or the subwoofer 10 inches, 2 10s, 14 inch, or this one, 8 inch. Like I said, I don't know how many watts are they. I want to know. So, good night. Bye.